Boy, I mean, I tell you again, you know, man. Number 4. Hey, you see when I finish with this, I'm going to jump overboard. Because I'm not catching anything. Hey, Kevin?
Yeah?
Let me have to jump overboard.
Yeah. This one big. This
A big one, oh.
Jack.
Is Jack that?
Like a top one.
Oh, top one.
No, this one big.
That is joke I'm making, though, not jumping overboard.
This one big.
Crazy. If I do that, they won't have anybody to video the catches.
No, man, this one little bit bigger. Little bit too good.
Strike one more again. That is number 4, you know. On the 3D, Yo Zuri, Minnow. You know, that's a good bait, you know. I think Yo Zuri must pay us to advertise this bait, you know. You don't think so? My goodness, this one is a nice one. Look there again. Or can take him up there.
Alright.
Boy, not another one again, you know, number 4. Good fish. Kingfish biting today. Weather is calm and nice. Mind the hook. Ah, that is it. See that? That is the 3D.
You good enough?
Yeah, man. Nice. This we have to perform a little bit of surgery on this one. Solve up the bait. This is a nice bait, you know. Good bait, very good bait. I'm going to empty my saving pan and go buy one tomorrow.
That's true, that's right.
Yeah, good fish. How much that weigh now? Yeah, that's about 8 or 9 pounds, you know. It look like about a 9. Yeah. Alright, that's a good fish. Good. Right. You know, I'm not even gonna say one more now. Because you know, don't know. Look at the man.
Is that top on here?
This is how much now? Number 5? But it's a top and still. Why? Look at the man. Professional, you know. Ah, that bait is a good bait, though, you know.
Yeah, man.
No, man.
Compared to the rest of the earlier in the year. I buy 2 more next week, you know. Next week I buy 2 more. The color, have some blue in it, the color.
Yeah, good color.
Yeah, the color is.
Good choice.
Yeah, good choice.
Made a good choice, man, I tell you.
Have a natural color, you know. Yeah,
And the good thing about that bait, the color can't rub off. The color is inside the bait, the lure, inside.
You see the one there? The one there. The one there big.
Hey, some huge tarpon outside here, so you know.
Don't patch up.
Oh, wow.
The one that go right there, so like I'm father.
My father come investigate what is going on.
One along like a truck back. Goes down. What's the man? What's that? School.
Yeah.
School, man. Them probably underneath the boat. Yeah, get in outside.
Yeah, if we put the gaff in their mouth and hook him against the side of the boat, so he can take out the bait. Nice top.
Want to shake out, Some girl like them still around. Some of them know. I'm saying, I'm pulling with them for the back side.
No trouble that. Oh, good fight.
No, we don't kill him, so you what up? Only me can hold him.
That now hurt him.
Hold him. This one. Oh, right on nothing.
I say, you want to catch the fish and then hook properly, you know. And the fish where you don't want to always hook properly.
Oh. Him gill?
Yeah.
Damage him gill? Oh, you damage him gill?
Yeah, damage him gill, my bleeding. Yeah, let him go down. Yeah, we rope the time for the back side and throw this through.
Like, careful, get a boga grip the next time. Alright, man.
Yeah.
So this is another one for Darren. This is coming in like a kingfish. Yeah, the wind is picking up now, so time to get inside. Yeah. Nice kingfish, yeah. Alright, this one, that little one look active, man.
2D.
Yeah.
1D.
There's a 2D. Okay, hold on there. Yeah. So that is one more for Darren. Kingfish. Nice kingfish. Yeah, that one couldn't get away. Yeah, good size. Alright.
Find space for use because monk fish. Find some other fish.
There's a kingfish up there now. Ready to go in?
That one is on a Yo Zuri also, but that is not the 3D. It says a 2D, regular D. Oh, regular D. Yo Zuri again. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Jamaican angler. Alright. Nice fish. Studied round. It's a calf on that side of the boat.
The fish will soon come in now. Close. There, what's the top one? Nice fish. Woo! Yeah, he's off.